Welcome back to the Stock Commandments channel. Okay, good people. Let's talk trading styles. You ever wonder, what kind of trader am I? You got the day traders, the swing traders, and the long-term investors. Each one's got their own strategy, their own rhythm, like different genres of music. Whether it's fast-paced, steady, or all about longevity. And just like Marvel characters, every style has its own superpowers, but with great power comes great responsibility. So let's dive in and find out which trading style works for you. You ready? Let's get it. First up, we got day traders. These folks are like the Flash. They're all about speed. Day traders are in and out of positions, making moves throughout the day, usually with stocks that are volatile. They're watching the market like hawks, catching those price swings in the short term. They might enter a trade in the morning and close it by the end of the day. Think of them like the characters in Fast and Furious. It's all about the high-speed chase, adrenaline, and knowing when to make the move. Day traders are about capitalizing on volatility. Buying low, selling high within hours, sometimes minutes, always keeping an eye on their charts, news, and trends. It's a fast-paced game, and as Drake says in Non-Stop, I've been on. But they can't stay on one trade for too long. Day trading's not for the faint of heart, though. It takes focus, skill, and the ability to adapt quickly. It's a grind, like Kendrick Lamar said in Humble, sit down, be humble. You can't get too cocky with this style, or you'll get burned out. Next, let's talk about swing traders. These are the folks who like to hold their positions for a few days to a few weeks, catching those price swings. Swing traders are like Kendrick Lamar's DNA. They've got the timing down. They buy when a stock's price is about to move and ride it to the top, then sell before it starts to drop. It's about playing the waves, baby. Think of them as the catchers of a musical tour. They wait for the right moment to make their move and take advantage of those market rhythms. You're not staring at your screen 24/7 like a day trader. You're more like Travis Scott at a concert, chilling, watching, and then striking when the energy's right. Swing traders also keep an eye on charts, news, and technical indicators to make sure they're making the right move. Swing trading's not as intense as day trading, but it requires patience and timing. Like a Migos track, it's got a flow that you need to follow. Now, let's talk about the long-term investors. These are the legends in the game, like Jay-Z or LeBron James. They don't play for the short term, they play the long game. These folks are in it for years, sometimes decades, holding stocks and companies that they believe in for the future. They're like Rihanna. They don't drop albums every year, but when they do, they're building their empire, setting the foundation. Long-term investors usually focus on blue-chip stocks, dividends, and industries that they trust, like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla. They're not getting caught up in the daily fluctuations, because they know that over time, solid companies tend to grow and provide those long-term gains. It's like how Will Smith says in The Pursuit of Happiness, you gotta dream, you gotta protect it. Long-term investors believe in protecting their wealth and growing it slowly but surely. It's all about that slow burn, steady wins the race mentality. Alicia Keys says in Girl on Fire, she's just a girl, but she's on fire, and long-term investors are just like that. They play the long game and let their investments rise over time, steady but powerful. So now you're thinking, which one's right for me? Well, it depends on your personality, time, and what you want from the market. If you've got the time and energy to focus, be sharp, and ride those fast waves, day trading might be your lane. But if you're more patient, have a little more time on your hands, and love a challenge, then swing trading could be your rhythm. And if you're in it for the long haul and want to build wealth over time, long-term investing could be your best move. Remember, like Cardi B says in I Like It, I Like Dollars, I Like Diamonds, and with the right trading style, you're gonna like what you see in your portfolio too. But you gotta pick the right path for you. Find what feels right, and go all in. Whatever you choose, just know that it's all about understanding your goals and risk tolerance. Like Post Malone says, I've been feeling like a rock star, but no matter what kind of trader you are, the key is to stay informed, stay consistent, and know when to make your moves. So get your style, get your strategy, and stay on top of the game. Whether you're speeding through with day trading, catching the swing like a pro, or building for the future with long-term investing, there's a place for everyone in this game. Keep your hustle strong, and let's make moves. See you next time on the Stock Commandments channel.